Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and this is your quick postnatal upper body flow. If you're feeling a little tight in your upper body and need a stretch, come flow with me. We'll go ahead and begin in a seat. Take a moment to get comfortable. I'm sitting on a block here, and if that's comfortable for you, you can do so, or on the mat, or on a blanket or bolster. Whatever seat's comfortable for you, just settle in. Allow your eyes to soften. Take a moment just to arrive onto your mat. Let go of whatever you were thinking about before this. Let go of whatever is to come after this. It's just you, your breath, and your mat right now. In fact, begin to notice your breath. Let's release some tension by taking a deep breath in through the nose. Audibly sigh it away. One more time, deep breath in through the nose. Let it all go through the mouth. Allow yourself to feel a sense of relief and release. And gently blink your eyes open. Drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. Notice the stretch. You can place your right palm over your head if you'd like. Not pulling or forcing, just as a gentle weight here to deepen the stretch. You can extend the left arm away from you if you'd like. Again, just to deepen the stretch. And take a moment just to turn your chin up towards the ceiling. Notice how the sensation changes. And take a moment just to turn your chin towards your right shoulder. Slightly different sensation here. Inhale, bring your neck back to center, release your palms. And drop your left ear towards your left shoulder. Again, if this is enough, just stay here. If you want a little bit more, place the left palm on top of your head as a gentle weight. Turn your chin up towards the ceiling. Be intentional and mindful about these movements. And turn your chin towards your shoulder. Inhale your neck back to center and release. Take a moment just to take some shoulder rolls here, going in one direction and then the other. Maybe even taking some slow neck rolls here, moving your body in any way that feels good. And go ahead and go in the opposite direction. Come back to center. Drop your chin towards your chest. Notice the stretch in the back of your neck. Inhale, bring your chin back to center. And interlace your fingertips behind you and press your knuckles down towards the ground. Even if your knuckles don't really touch the floor, just energetically press down while opening up your shoulders. You can send your chin up slightly. Noticing the openness in your chest and your heart. Hug your belly button up and in. Continue to breathe. exhale and release. Place your right palm down next to your right hip, or maybe just your fingertips. Inhale, lift your left arm up and over, finding a side bend. And send the left rib cage towards the left as you reach the left fingertips to the right. Really creating this curve here. Inhale your way back to center. We'll do that on the opposite side. Left palm down, right arm up and over as you send the right rib cage to the right. Breathe into the space that you're creating here. Inhale your way back to center. And then go ahead and make your way into all fours. Just coming into this space. Go ahead and turn your fingertips towards your knees. And then we'll begin to tuck the toes under and shift forward and back. Multitasking here, stretching our wrists as well as the bottoms of our feet. Exhale back. Inhale forward. Go at your own pace. Linger and pause wherever you need to. Inhale your way back to center for some cats and cows. Take a moment just to engage your core first. And then inhale as you lift your heart and chin. Exhale as you tuck your tailbone under, round your upper back. Inhale into your cow pose. Exhale into your cat pose. Go at your own pace. Take a few more rounds. On an exhale, sink your hips back towards your heels, coming into your child's pose. You can take your knees nice and wide here. Breathe here as you let your upper body sink towards the mat. Bring your palms together over your head. Bend at the elbows as you bring your thumbs towards the back of your neck. Notice a stretch in the backs of your arms as well as your chest. Exhale, release, and next we'll thread the needle. You can do this from your child's pose, or you can come up into tabletop. From your child's pose, just lift gently to slide the right arm underneath the left. Bring your right cheek towards the mat. Continue to breathe. Inhale, bring your right arm back to center. Exhale, slide the left arm underneath the right. Bring the left cheek towards your mat. Inhale your way back to center. And shift forward, coming all the way onto your belly. As you make your way onto your belly, extend the right arm out to the right. And then pressing into the left palm underneath your left shoulder, roll over onto your right side. You can bend your knees and bring them towards your chest for some stability, or you can keep the bottom leg extended and bring the left leg up and over, knee pointing up, foot flat on the ground or just on your toes. A few different options here, so you can try out what works for you. Importance is just to feel stability as you stretch out through the front of the right shoulder. Really counteracts all the postures of feeding baby, holding baby. Inhale, come back to center. Be mindful as you move here. Right palm comes underneath the right shoulder, left arm extends to the left. And then roll over towards your left side. And try out what works for you in terms of your foot positioning, your leg positioning. Breathe into the front of your left shoulder. Inhale your way back to center. Then we'll take a belly shavasana. So stacking your palms on top of each other. Allow your forehead to rest on the backs of your palms. Or you can even grab a pillow or a block to rest your forehead on. And let your pinky toes go towards the corners of your mat. Really relax and release as you sink into your mat. This is a great stress relieving posture to practice anytime you need it. Thanks so much for joining me in that flow. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, it would mean a lot to me if you subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button. Also, be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. The clothing I'm wearing, the mat I was practicing on, and any props we've used will be linked in the description bar below. If you enjoy these flows, let me know in the comments below so I can make more targeted flows like these for you. It helps other moms see these videos if you share them. So if you do share it on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. For more postnatal flows, check out this playlist right here. You'll also find prenatal, relaxing, vinyasa, and yin yoga on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.